a beautiful sound. I can hear it. He loves me and he cares for me in so many ways. I wanna sing about it each and every day. Look and see how Jesus loves me. Jesus loves me. I'll shout and sing 'cause Jesus loves me. Jesus loves me so. He loves me so. He loves me. From the top of my head to the tip of my toes, I can feel it. How he makes me brave, how he helps me grow. And I know that he loves me and he cares for me in so many ways. I wanna sing about it each and every day. Look and see how Jesus loves me. Jesus loves me. I'll shout and sing 'cause Jesus loves me. Jesus loves me so. He loves me so. Yeah, this I know. He loves me so. He loves me.
You know what time it is?
It's time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you at the Wonder Clubhouse. Meet with you. Oh, hey friends, welcome to the clubhouse. I'm Poppy, and I just learned a super cool game. It's called I Spy. Someone gives you the clues, and you have to figure out the thing they're talking about. I know, I'll give you clues, and you can help spy. If you're ready to play the game, shout out I Spy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I Spy. Okay, here we go. I spy with my little eye something blue. It has strings and it can play music. Can you guys guess what it is? Wow, you guys are good. It's a guitar. Okay, here's another one. I spy with my little eye something that's shaped like a smile. It's yellow, it has a peel, and it's super yummy. You got it! It's a banana! I brought this for my snack.
Ho, ho!
Hey! I spy with my little eye something orange. It has feathers, and it's super smart. That's right, it's Ollie!
Hello, Poppy. Ho, ho! Playing a guessing game, are you?
Hey, Ollie! We're playing I Spy. It's so much fun. We spied a banana, a guitar, and you.
I'm easy to spy, it's true. But there's someone more special to spy for you. So let's hear this story. Just follow me through. Ho, ho!
Follow me through, follow me through, who? Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
I spy with my little eye Stormy's bone! You found it! Good job, Stormy Jane. Oh, hi, friends. I'm Carrie, the dog walker, and this is my best dog, Stormy Jane. We were just playing I Spy, but I know you came here for a story. Do you think we could keep playing I Spy while we tell the story? You do great. Okay, so today's true story from the Bible begins a long time ago when God sent an angel to a woman named Mary. Does anyone see an angel? Make some binoculars like this and look with me. I spy with my little eye an angel. The angel had a very special message for Mary. She was going to have a baby boy. The baby's name would be Jesus, and he would be God's son. Jesus is very special because Jesus is God's son. Mary and Joseph traveled to a city called Bethlehem. Do you see a city? Look with me. Ready? I spy with my little eye a city called Bethlehem. When Mary and Joseph got to Bethlehem, they had to stay in a stable where animals live. Mary and Joseph rested and waited for baby Jesus to be born. Then it happened. Jesus was born. Let's look for baby Jesus. Ready? I spy with my little eye Jesus. Mary wrapped baby Jesus and laid him in a manger. Now, Jesus didn't just stay a baby. He grew up and did amazing things only he can do. Jesus told a thunderstorm to stop, and it stopped. Jesus made sick people all better. Jesus even fed over 5,000 people with just a few pieces of bread and fish. Jesus did so many amazing things. The people who saw Jesus do these amazing things wrote them down. And now we can read the stories in the Bible. These stories teach us that Jesus is real and can do amazing things. Now we all can believe in Jesus. Oh, hey, Ollie. Ollie, tell me, who can believe in Jesus?
I can believe in Jesus. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who can believe in Jesus?
I can believe in Jesus. That's the truth, friends. You better believe it. See you next time. Bye.
So there's your story, and it's all true. Jesus is God's son, the most special thing to spy for you.
Thanks, Sally.
Goodbye to you. Hoo, hoo.
Jesus is God's son. He did so many amazing things. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it? Got it! Good. Hey, I spy with my little eye something blue. It's a book and has stories about Jesus. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's a Bible. And I'm gonna spy true stories about the best thing ever, Jesus.
These are written so that you may believe that Jesus is the Christ, the Son of God. John 20:31. These are written so that you may believe that Jesus is the Christ, the Son of God. John 20:31.
My silly faces, my goofy grin, my funny dances, my messy hair, my silly faces, my goofy grin, my funny dances. I've got a friend in Jesus. He loves everything about me. I've got a friend in Jesus. He loves everything about me. When I get scared, you make me braver. You are my friend forever. When I get scared, you make me braver. You are my friend forever. Oh, I've got a friend in Jesus. He loves everything about me. I've got a friend in Jesus. He loves everything about me. Yeah. All right. Hey, who knows where your head is? What about your shoulders? Can you point to your knees and your toes? Awesome, let's do it together. My head and shoulders, knees and toes. He loves everything about me. My eyes and ears and mouth and nose. He loves everything about me. My head and shoulders, knees and toes. He loves everything about me. My eyes and ears and mouth and nose. He loves everything about me. Everybody sing. I've got a friend in Jesus. He loves everything about me. I've got a friend in Jesus. He loves everything about me.